It's been a while. Not in a we disappeared way, just life. And we kept saying we'd sit down and update you. So, this is that. We know we haven't posted like we used to, and we've seen the comments. We really appreciate it, seriously. It's weird when you realize people actually notice when you go quiet. But yeah, we've been here, just moving different. Days have been full, not even in some crazy way, just the kind of full where you blink and it's Friday again, and then you blink again, and it's been weeks. We didn't stop because we ran out of ideas. We stopped because we ran out of space. For a long time, we were always chasing the next thing, next project, the next build, next video, and we love that stuff. But it started to feel like we were living on a timer. Like if we weren't building something, we were falling behind. And that's when we knew we needed to slow down. Not quit, just slow down. We want this channel to feel like a real life again. Not a highlight reel. Not a perfect progress update every week. Just us. The quiet days, the busy days, the days where nothing gets done. The moments you don't think to film until you realize those were the good parts. So moving forward, you'll still see projects, but you're also going to see the in-between. More day-to-day, more behind the scenes. More of what it actually looks like. And behind all of this, we've been working towards something. We want to buy a piece of land outside of Florida. Not because we're leaving. Florida's always going to be our home. But we want a place to breathe, a place to reset, somewhere quiet when everything else feels like it's moving too fast. And it's not going to happen overnight. It's going to take time. Saving, staying focused. But that's part of the story too. And we want to share that as it happens. So yeah, the channel's not dead. We're not back like some huge comeback. We're just here. And we're going to start posting again, more consistently, but in a way that makes sense for our life. Less pressure, more real. Before we wrap this up, we just wanted to say thank you to the people who've been here, even when we weren't posting much. That means more than you probably realize. You didn't disappear, you just waited, and that's rare. And to the people finding this channel right now, welcome. You're coming in at a different season for us. It's less about the chase and more about real life, the quiet stuff and the long-term goals. If that's your pace too, we're glad you're here. We'll see you on the next one.